Hello, this is Michael and welcome to AVC School. This is another video about our Solid Subtract plugin, and today we will take a look at the Solid Intersection tool. I will not spend too much time explaining the advantages of our tool compared to the standard AutoCAD Intersection command. If you want to learn more about that, you can watch the video linked in the description below. Now let's go directly into a practical example. Here I have a simple object setup. I think this is the perfect example for demonstration. Besides working with solids, surfaces, and regions, our plugin also includes quick access to Mesh to Solid, another tool that allows you to work with meshes together with other 3D objects. First, I will use the standard intersection command. I launch the command, and as you can see, I only get this single object as a result. I undo the operation. Now let's see what result we can get using our plugin. I launch Solid Intersection. Please note that my objects were already selected before I started the command, but the selection was not cleared, unlike the standard AutoCAD Intersection tool. Here is the result we get. Let me explain what is happening here. First, in my settings, I enabled the option to keep the original objects, so I can reuse them later if needed. Second, the new objects were automatically moved to a separate layer. Right now, it is displayed in green color. Of course, this option can be disabled if you want the result to stay on the original layer. And third, I enabled the Pair Intersection option. Because of this, the plugin created all intersecting parts, not only one common intersection object. All these settings can be changed very quickly. In addition, the tool allows you to save up to 9 custom presets and switch between them instantly. Now let's disable all these extra options and intersect several groups of objects at once. I select everything together. As you probably know, the standard intersection command would create one huge multi-solid object in this situation. I launch the command and done. All resulting solids remain separate independent objects, and everything was completed in just one click. Of course, there are not many objects on my screen right now, but imagine how much time this can save when working with 100 entities or even more. We believe AVC tools can greatly improve the workflow of both experienced engineers and beginners. You can download the plugin using the link in the description below. A free 20-day trial is available. Join AVC and save time for life.